It will soon pass, whatever it is. Don't worry, be happy.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Just doing a short vlog today. I'm gonna head over to the Biltmore Estate train because there's a gift I need to purchase. But before we do that, I want to take you into, okay, train. But you can see I'm at McDonald's. I'm gonna take you in to this very special McDonald's. It has something in it that other McDonald's do not have. We are in Biltmore Village, so it's a very unique looking McDonald's. All the buildings in Biltmore Village have to have this unique look to it. You'll walk in and look, you got a picture of Biltmore right away. Some Biltmore books, some pottery. All right. That's right, it has a self-playing baby grand. And look, I'm basically sitting on a sofa. Normally, all these guests walking on this side are actually walking on the other side near that tree line because they're coming in right past those gates. But the walkway and the parking lot over there is closed because of these guys. I was so focused on the gifts that I needed to get that I never even pulled my camera out to vlog, but it did take a couple pictures of items that were in the shops on my phone. Oh my gosh, this water has theme park smell water, or smells like theme park water. You know what I mean. And actually there's something in the Haunted Mansion that actually looks a lot like this. Well, this is something you just don't get to see. And that is a large crane at the Biltmore house. Oh my gosh, look at these huge trees. The one covered in ivy? Wow. What is this? I'm really confused. Is that a helmet? Like, what an odd location. Let me show you where this is. Like what is going on with that? Yeah, it's some type of work helmet with a mask. So somebody probably working on the trees just left it there. There's like an employee in a yellow vest over there. And it could be his, maybe. I've never been to this corner before. Wow. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful shot. You could not pay me enough for that. You cannot be scared of heights. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how high that crane is. Gosh, how high is he going? And now he's swinging. So comment below, what job could you just, no matter how much they paid you, you would not take that job? And he's just dangling. Let's get closer. Slowly but surely. There it goes. There it comes. It's like I can't help but to back up. Oh Lord. It's like I just want to back up.
Okay.
It's like we'll just keep backing up. Oh my. Oh, I don't like that. Oh yeah, backing up. That's so weird to see that. Look at that. It's coming down in front of the Biltmore house. All these people videoing it on their phones. Directly across from the house a big hill, and way up there is a statue, Diana, the goddess. And this is the walking path back to parking lot A. We've reached parking lot A. Normally you'd be able to walk right there to the house, which is a much quicker route, but obviously that's closed off because of the tree work. These parking lots are closed off so that you can't walk that way, but I am gonna exit this way. You come across all sorts of wildlife on the estate, and look, we have some juvenile wild turkeys with their parents. Well, shucks, I wanted to come by to check out all the beautiful sunflowers, but they're a little droopy and not colorful at the moment. Shucks. And this is right across from Antler Hill Village. I've done numerous videos on visiting there. We have a different flock with no babies. A lot of people like to ride their bikes throughout the estate. You can rent bikes here too, or bring your own. We do have a playlist with Biltmore Estate vlogs on it, and we have so much more to film. Oh, let me show you this old photo of the lodge gate. And this is what I went for. So I needed to get a present. Well, I actually already had a present for them, but then I remembered that the Biltmore in their gift shop and the stable cafe, I mean near the stable cafe, let me get that straight. In the stables, old stables, they had some just wonderful print work. So I decided to get this one for them, and I'll save the gift that I got them for some other time or somebody else or something like that. But isn't this just lovely? And the other thing I wanted that I had seen on the last trip was this. Langley's birthday is next month. She loves cows. Her kitchen's kind of cow themed, well, farm themed with a lot of cows. And I thought even Blair would absolutely love this, that she could hang this up. Oh, this, I mean, I just love this. I mean, I really wish I could have bought them all. Like, now I really want to go back and get, because they had different animals and stuff. I really want to get my own. But if you look closely, the cow is eating hay. So that was the other reason I went. Just like I said, short little trip.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to run.